Welcome to today's video, Transform Your Mornings, 10 Habits to Look Younger After Age 50. Tired of mornings that feel, well, older than you do? Maybe you wake up and wonder if your energy hit the snooze button too. What if I told you just 12 minutes could unlock a younger, more vibrant you after 50? That's right. Just a few intentional minutes can make a world of difference. Get ready to discover 10 simple morning habits that are game changers. These are easy tweaks anyone can do, no matter your schedule. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about living your best life after 50. You know, it's funny how those mornings that used to feel so, well, easy, start to feel a little different once you hit a certain age. The routines that once worked might need a little upgrade. Like someone hit the fast forward button on our batteries, am I right? Suddenly it takes a bit more to get going. We wake up and it's like, whoa, where'd the pep in my step go? But don't worry, it's not gone for good. Listen, aging is a privilege, not a punishment. Every year brings wisdom, but it doesn't mean we have to lose our spark. But who says we can't feel as young and vibrant on the inside as we do? Well, you know, back in the day, it's all about mindset and a few smart habits. That's what we're talking about today, people. Let's bring back that energy and confidence. We're diving into 10 simple morning habits that are absolute game changers for feeling younger, more energized, and ready to take on the day. These tips are backed by science and real-life experience. These aren't your grandma's morning routine tips. Unless your grandma's got it going on, then maybe they are. We're talking about routines that actually work in today's world. We're talking simple, practical, and dare I say, fun ways to upgrade your mornings and feel amazing after 50. You'll be surprised how small changes can make a big impact. So grab your coffee, tea, or green smoothie. We'll get to that in a bit, and let's get started. Your younger, more vibrant self is just a few habits away. All right, let's kick things off with a habit so simple yet so powerful. Drinking water first thing in the morning. It might sound basic, but this one small act can set the tone for your entire day, and it's one of the easiest ways to show your body some love. I know, you've heard it a million times, but there's a reason for that. Hydration is the foundation of good health, and it's especially important as we get older. Think of it this way. You wake up after hours of sleep, your body's a little dehydrated. It's like a plant that's been craving a good watering, right? Your cells are literally waiting for that first sip to get things moving. Well, that first glass of water is like a tall drink for your cells. It wakes up your system and gets everything flowing again. It helps flush out toxins, kickstarts your metabolism, and even plumps up your skin. Plus, it supports your joints and helps your organs function at their best. And let's be honest, who doesn't want that youthful glow? Hydrated skin looks fresher, smoother, and more vibrant. Mark, my wonderful co-host, he used to be a 2 cups of coffee before anything else kind of guy. He thought coffee was the only way to wake up, and then he started this whole water first thing, and you can actually see the difference. His mornings are brighter, and he feels more alert. His skin is clearer, he's got more energy, and he doesn't get those mid-morning energy slumps as much. It's like he's found a secret weapon for feeling great. Trust me, even if you're not a morning person, getting into the habit of drinking a big glass of water before that coffee will make a world of difference. It's a simple shift that pays off in so many ways. You'll feel more awake, your skin will thank you, and you'll be starting your day on a hydrated, healthy note. It's a win-win, and your future self will be grateful you made this change. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Kelly, you're talking about mornings and you've already lost me at stroll. But hear me out on this one. I'm not talking about running a marathon here, people. Just a short, brisk walk, ideally as the sun's coming up. There's something almost magical about that morning light. It's like it signals to your body, hey, time to wake up and shine. Getting some natural sunlight first thing helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, which is super important for energy levels throughout the day. Plus, a little fresh air and movement can do wonders for your mood. Even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes, that little boost of oxygen and those feel-good endorphins will have you feeling like you can conquer the world. Or at least conquer that to-do list. Okay, so we've hydrated, we've gotten a little fresh air. Now it's time to gently wake up those muscles with some stretching. I used to think stretching was just for athletes or people who could actually, touch their toes. But then I realized it's not about being a contortionist, it's about gently moving your body, increasing blood flow and releasing any tension or stiffness you might be holding onto from, well, life. You don't need a fancy yoga studio or anything. Just a few minutes in your living room will do the trick. Think gentle neck rolls, shoulder stretches, maybe even a few downward dogs if you're feeling ambitious. Listen to your body, don't push yourself too hard. And just enjoy the feeling of your muscles waking up and getting ready for the day. You'll be amazed at how much more flexible and energized you feel. All right, folks, it's breakfast time. And no, I'm not talking about a measly cup of coffee and a donut. We're talking about a real deal, power-packed breakfast that will fuel your body and mind for hours. Think of it as your inner superhero fuel. Now, I'm not a nutritionist, but I've learned a thing or two from years of early morning shows and, let's be honest, trying to keep up with my kids. A good breakfast should have a mix of protein, healthy fats and fiber. This could be something as simple as Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola, or maybe some whole wheat toast with avocado and an egg. Get creative, have fun with it, and most importantly, listen to your body. Okay, this next habit might seem a little, shall we say, new agey for some of you. But before you roll your eyes, hear me out, because it's actually backed by science and real-life experience. Trust me on this one. Taking just a few minutes each morning to intentionally cultivate gratitude can be an absolute game changer for your mindset and your overall well-being. It's a small act that can have a surprisingly big impact. Now, I used to be a total skeptic about this whole gratitude thing. I thought it was just another trendy self-help idea that wouldn't really make a difference. I honestly believed it was just, something people said to sound positive, or maybe just a way to fill up a journal page. But then I started incorporating it into my own mornings, and let me tell you, it's made a world of difference. I noticed I felt lighter, more optimistic, and even more resilient when challenges popped up. It doesn't have to be complicated or take a lot of time. Just grab a journal, or even just use your phone's notes app and write down 3 things you're grateful for. You can do it while sipping your morning coffee, or even before you get out of bed. It could be something as simple as a good night's sleep, a sunny day, or the sound of birds outside your window, or even just the fact that you have a delicious cup of coffee in your hand ready to start your day. Focusing on the good, even when life throws you curveballs, can shift your perspective and help you approach your day with a more positive, grateful heart. Over time, you might just find yourself noticing more and more things to appreciate, big and small. All right, are you ready for a little zen in your morning routine? Now, before you skip ahead, thinking this is all a bit too woo-woo for you, hear me out. We're talking about just a few minutes of quiet time to center yourself and calm your mind before the craziness of the day begins. This could be anything from traditional meditation to simply sitting quietly with your thoughts, or even just focusing on your breath for a few minutes. The key is to create a little pocket of peace in your morning where you can simply be present with yourself and let go of any stress or anxiety you might be carrying. I know finding quiet time, especially in the morning, can feel impossible. But even 5 minutes can make a world of difference. There are tons of great meditation apps out there, or you can even find guided meditations for free on YouTube. Okay, let's talk skincare, people. One of the simplest ways to instantly look and feel more youthful is to give your skin a little love with some gentle exfoliation. Now, I'm not talking about harsh scrubs that leave your skin feeling raw. I'm talking about a gentle exfoliating cleanser or a soft washcloth to slough away dead skin cells and reveal that fresh, radiant skin underneath. Think of it this way: exfoliating is like giving your skin a mini facial at home. It helps your skincare products penetrate better, and it just leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. Now, I know many of you are coffee lovers, and that's totally fine, but consider swapping out that second cup of joe for a cup of green tea. This powerhouse beverage is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and keep you looking and feeling your best. Plus, it gives you a nice, gentle energy boost without the jitters or crash that can sometimes come with coffee. Let's talk about moving our bodies, people. And no, I'm not talking about dragging yourself to a high-intensity workout class if that's not your thing. I'm talking about finding joyful movement that makes you feel good. This could be anything from dancing around your kitchen to your favorite music. to going for a brisk walk, or even just doing some light stretching or yoga. The key is to find something you enjoy that gets your body moving and those endorphins flowing. We started our morning routine with a little bit of sunshine, and we're going to end it with a reminder to keep embracing that natural light throughout the day. Open those curtains, step outside for a few minutes, and let that natural light work its magic. It helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, boosts your mood, and just makes you feel more awake and alive. So there you have it, folks. 10 simple yet powerful habits that can transform your mornings and help you look and feel younger, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big impact over time. These aren't just habits, they're stepping stones to a more vibrant, energetic, and youthful you. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, confident, and ready to embrace life with open arms. You deserve to feel amazing, and these simple morning rituals are your key. Don't wait another day to invest in yourself. Start incorporating these habits today and witness the incredible transformation. Loved these tips and want more ways to feel fantastic as you age? Then make sure to hit that subscribe button. We share new videos every Tuesday and Thursday packed with actionable advice on healthy aging, wellness, and living your best life. Join our growing community and let's journey towards a younger, healthier you together.